some problems like this on our big board. There was a lot of you that missed these types of problems on your worksheet. I think it was either Thursday or Friday, Miss Weeks told me. So real quick, for a few minutes, pair up with someone at your table. You have a few minutes to talk about what answer you got and how you solved it. And when you're done, I'm gonna pick on a couple of people to screen share, and when I pick your group, you're not gonna tell me how you solved it, you're gonna tell me how your partner solved it, and vice versa. Got it? All right. Talk with yourselves. Talk with your partner. Do you want me to talk?
We'll take that to 0. We'll take 1 times.
How about if you're going to partner with us? Do you not want to partner?
Okay, what do you do?
0. In London's wrong. You're working with Hudson, and London, you're working with Ren. Y'all have a few minutes, so you guys tell me how your partner solved it.
Oh wait, we gotta do a problem.
Go over number 1. Number 1 on the big board.
We got it.
All right. 5, 4.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do what you're doing. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Alana, tell me how Decker solved his. Do you want to screen share it up here? Your answer, or?
You gonna pay attention.
Yeah, I know, but I'm talking to Alana. Do you want to screen share? Hey, everyone listen here. Do you want to screen share your answer? Did y'all get the same answer? There we go. Okay, so Alana and Decker both got 24. Thumbs up if you got 24. 24? No, do we need to go over that one? Okay, 24 is the right answer. So Alana, tell me what he did first. Five minus 5, which is 0 because it's in the what? And then what did he do? He multiplied 6 times 3 and got 18. And then what did he do? And then subtract a 0. And then 18 plus 6 is 24. Good job.
The check's not gonna go to 7.
Where?
At the bottom.
Well, she got the right answer. So she probably just put it there and then, here, we can change it real quick. To 8. Everyone, do you see how we got that, Colt? Order of operations, parentheses. We don't have exponents, multiplication, and then addition. Okay, for number 2, real quick, talk with your partner again about how you solved that one. See if y'all got the same answer and see if y'all got different answers or how y'all found Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eyes up here. Do we have a group that wants to share? Emmeline? Josie?
We have the same answer.
What is that noise?
I think we're gonna have a good little bit amount of people that are gonna miss this one because there was a problem like this on your worksheet Thursday, and this week didn't realize it till the 3rd class, but everyone got it wrong. So, because we solved it in the wrong order. You got it? Just loading. Oh, that's my bad. Okay.
Oh, she is just.
Alright, so they got 52. Thumbs up if you got 52. If you didn't get 52, what were your other answers? London?
58.
58?
Yeah.
Okay, well, Miss Chandler got 48.
48.
Because look. What is the first thing you do? What's in the what?
Multiply.
Multiply.
6 plus 2.
You do what's in the, what's the first order of operation of PEMDAS?
Multiply.
Parentheses, whoever said it, parentheses, thank you. And then the next thing you need to do in here is multiply. So you need to do 6 times 3.
18. 18.
6 plus 2 plus 6 times 3. Okay, yeah. 8 plus 18. Oh, that might be a me thing. I thought that said 6 plus 2 plus 2 plus 6 times 3. Anyways, okay, what's 18 plus 8?
24.
24. Okay, yeah, so I'm not crazy. It's 24.
26.
26?
18 plus 8.
Oh my goodness. 26 times 2. Y'all are right. That's my bad. Okay, number 3. I don't know what is wrong with me today. Okay, number 3. Talk to each other real quick.
Okay.
I didn't hear you. So work with your partner. Make sure you're hearing how they solve the problem. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jeremiah and Brody, do y'all want to share your answers up here? Real quick. Even if you got it wrong, we can see what happened and how to fix it. No? You're not done?
I'm done with it.
Okay, Brennan and London, do y'all want to do yours?
We're at, can we share?
Share yours up there.
I'm not ready.
Did you not finish
We're
yours
ready.
yet? Okay.
Finish Chandler. We're ready.
Okay, Brody and Jeremiah, share yours. Because we still have 10.1 and 10.2 to do. So. I'm not clicking anything, am I? No. Alright. Alright. We're not supposed to have a remainder, but the 9 part is right, so let's see how we can fix that. Okay. Let me change the color. No, that's okay. Alright, so the answer should have been for number 3, 9.48. So you kind of got it right. You divided right. You just need to, when you're doing decimals, oh my goodness, you need to add a 0. What's your question? You want to do it? You put a bunch of zeros? Well, let's see how we're supposed to solve it. So we have 0.5, which changes to what? 5. And then 4.74 changes to what? 4.74 changes to what?
4.74 changes to 47.4.
Thank you, Isabel. 5 goes into 47 how many times?
0 or 47. I thought you said.
No, you're good.
Wait.
5 goes into 47 how many times? 9. 9 times 5 is?
45.
What am I doing?
45.
Alright, with how many left over? 2, bring up the what?
Decimal.
Decimal, bring down the what?
4.
5 goes into 24 how many times? 4 times 5 is?
20.
And then that's where you got the remainder. But you need to bring, or add a 0. Do you see that, Jeremiah? Add a 0, bring it down. 5 goes into 40 how many times?
8 times.
8 times, good job. So your answer should have been 9.48. Any questions on that one?
No.
Ryan, any questions on that one? Did you get 9.48?
Yeah.
Good job. All right, talk real quick about number 4. Number 4, share how you solved it. Whoever's screen sharing.
Oh, you're mine. You're mine.
Do you have to line the decimals up in the right?
I don't know, do you need, hey class, do we need to line up decimals when we're multiplying?
No.
That's a good question though, a lot of people have been asking that. That's only when you're adding and subtracting. Huh? Hold on. So, before the lesson, write down you and your partner what you think the definition of a line plot is. And then at the end of the lesson, once we've gone through how to do it and how to read it, ready?
Bro.
Can you wait? Hold on.
I just finished.
Okay. Once we've gone through the lesson, y'all are going to revisit and you're going to fix up your definition and then give me an example. But right now, you're just, before the lesson, coming up with a definition of line plot. You can talk to each other.
Oh.
Yeah. We're working together. The piece of paper you did earlier, now that you've gone through the lesson and you've figured out how to solve a line plot, see if you can come up with a definition. Again, either the same one if you are confident it's the same thing. But if you have a different answer, fix that definition of what you think a line plot is now, and then you and your partner come up with an example. Do you understand? So first thing I want you to do, look over your definition you gave of what you think the line plot is. If you want to keep that definition, you can just write it again. If you want to change it, change your definition. Then, give me an example of a line plot. So you can write a series of data like this, and then draw out the number line, and then add your points to it.
Can we copy it off the...
No, you have to come up with your own. It would be an example if you're just copying it. And then when you guys get done, you have practice book pages, and I want you to turn in that paper as your exit ticket.
Copy this, but have different numbers.
Yeah, I mean it's a line plot. They're all
But these same numbers, but different. The same numbers, but have different amounts.
Well, if you have the same numbers, you can't have different amounts. Oh wait, I see what you're saying. Okay, yeah, you can do that. So, do we need to repeat the instructions of what y'all are doing again?
No, ma'am.
You got it? When you're done, you can turn that into my desk.